San Diego County home inventory levels are back to where they were mid-spring. Stick around for a couple of minutes and I'll talk about what's going on. That's right, it's time for everybody's favorite San Diego County real estate information program, San Diego Market Watch. Thank you for tuning in, and if you're new to this channel, please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these updates. We are bringing you all the major metrics in San Diego County real estate each and every week. So let's jump right into it. Looking at inventory levels now, the number of homes for sale has dropped back below 6,000. And the last time we were below 6,000 was late April, early May, so mid-spring. And why is that happening? It's happening because new listings have been trending down for a while, and pending sales have remained relatively constant. Pending sales have been constant for months and months and months, right around 450, give or take a few each and every week, and new listings have been coming down. Now, I get a lot of people asking me, isn't it just sellers that are pulling their homes off the market? Well, yes, we do have each and every week expired and canceled listings. In fact, in the last 30 days, there have been about 1,200 expired or canceled listings and 285 just in the last week. Although, when somebody lists a home for sale, they're not generally doing it frivolously just to see what they can get. They need to go somewhere. They want to make a move. And so most of those expired and canceled homes come back on the market. There are realtors who make entire careers out of relisting expired and canceled listings. So the main driver of inventory are pending sales and new listings. That's pretty much how it goes. So let's take a look at our price reductions in the last 7 days. That is about right about 9% of the overall inventory, which is back up a bit from last week after coming down for a couple of weeks. The highest levels of price reductions that we've seen since we started tracking this metric were back in August and July, and this is shown as a percentage of overall inventory. Median price, after popping up pretty well early in the year, between November, around the holidays up into the beginning of the year, then plateauing through the spring and summer with a trend downward, dropped a little more dramatically between August and September here, about 1.5%. And that is a function of the number of homes on the market and the number of pending sales. As inventory grows and pending sales remain the same, prices will soften. And we definitely have seen that softening. And is this drop here the final result of that softening as inventory comes down and pending sales remain the same? Is this going to flatten out, median price flatten out, or go back up? Remains to be seen, and we'll keep tracking it. And the one thing that could drive median price back up quickly is if interest rates continue to come down. We're at 6.27 for the last 7 days here, and that is about where we were 2 weeks ago after coming up to about 6.3 or 6.35 last week. I can't remember. It's roughly the same, although every little hundredth of a point in interest rate makes a difference to a buyer's monthly payment, so can bring more buyers back into the market, and that's good for buyers and it's good for sellers, and it's certainly way better than we were back here at the beginning of the year, over 7%. So this is a trend in the right direction as it relates to interest rates. So that's what's going on in San Diego real estate. Again, thank you for tuning in. And if you like what you see, please remember to give us a like, share, and comment. Let us know what you think. We will be back with more great real estate information very soon, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you right back here.